This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Shari Lyons less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 019154332. Rolling Oaks is a beautiful neighborhood, and this fine home is situated perfectly across from a lush and pristine park. The front yard is low maintenance, professionally landscaped and includes attractive crepe myrtle trees. Inside this single-level home you will be impressed by the cathedral ceilings, double-sided fireplace between the living room and the family room, a garden kitchen window and Tuscan arches adding nice architectural features. The kitchen's stainless steel appliances, oak cabinets, tile countertops, breakfast bar, and dining area make it an inviting experience for everyone. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom 1,743 square foot home comes with a laundry room, newer, 2017, HVAC system, and, 2018, newer roof. The master bathroom has a tub/shower, dual sinks and a closeted toilet. The backyard has a covered patio, a gorgeous lawn, brick patio and a fenced yard. This ideal Sierra Foothills location is close to the quaint and historic Jamestown and Sonora and nearby Yosemite and Pinecrest where outdoor recreation abounds. For more information, review the details below or contact Shari Lyons less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 019154332 at 209-532-7400.